Warm wishes. In this video, we can see the paraphrase of the poem Macavity by T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot was an essayist, a critic, a playwright, and a pioneering poet of the 20th century. He attended Smith Academy in St. Louis and then the Milton Academy in Massachusetts. He graduated from Harvard University and then left for France to study philosophy. He also finished his advanced degree at Harvard. T.S. Eliot won the Order of Merit and received the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1948. Macavity the Mystery Cat is a humorous poem where the poet T.S. Eliot describes the mysterious qualities of a shrewd wild cat. He commits a crime at every possible opportunity. He is an elusive master criminal who leaves the evidence after he commits a crime. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Scotland Yard, the London detective agency, is unable to arrest him. The flying squad is desperate because every time they rush to the crime spot to seize Macavity, he is not there. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. He breaks the human law as well as the law of gravity. He baffles even a fakir with his powers of levitation. Macavity appears tall and thin with sunken eyes. He is always preoccupied with some serious thought. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His coat is so dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. Macavity is a devil in the guise of a cat. He appears to be outwardly respectable, but his actions disprove it. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Macavity loots the larder, ransacks the jewel case, and breaks the greenhouse glass, but wonder of wonders, he is not to be found anywhere there. He is always a mile away from the scene of crime, happily relaxing or doing difficult division sums. Or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. He is clever at making up an alibi whenever he plots a crime. All the notorious cats are nothing but the agents of Macavity, the Napoleon of crime. Just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. The poem Macavity the Mystery Cat was written by the famous poet T.S. Eliot. Macavity is a master criminal. His coat is so dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. He leaves no evidence after doing a crime. Even the Scotland Yard is unable to trace him. He breaks the human law and the law of gravity. He is a devil in the form of a cat. All the notorious cats are the agents of Macavity and he is the Napoleon of crime. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.